So sometimes you run into the situation in classroom where your teacher or facilitator has posted an assignment, but there's not a file submitted, but you need to turn in a file in order to fulfill the requirements for the assignment. So I want to show you what you would do in that situation. So if I click into my assignment that I need to add a file to, I'm going to go ahead and click in. And as you can see, if there was a file attached, it would be right here. So I could click on it, open it. If it was making its own copy, it would do all the things that you would normally need it to do. But if it's empty like this, usually the teacher or facilitator is requiring you to add some sort of file. Or you can create it right from there. I'm going to show you what you would do. It's very simple. You would go ahead and click add, and you have your choices of adding a Google Drive file, adding a link from a website, or adding a file from your computer. So if I go ahead and click into Google Drive, if I know the title of the file I was using, or this is really great right here, this recent, if it's something that I just finished, it should be up at the top. So I would just go ahead and click on the file that I need to add and click add. And that's going to add it to the assignment. So when I turn it in, then my teacher facilitator will be able to review it and give me any feedback. If I'm not done yet, I can still get out of this assignment and come back at a later time. So when I go back in, that assignment, that file is still attached to it. I can also from here create things. So if I decide, hey, I need to start something else in order to fulfill this assignment, I can add a doc, a slide, a sheet, or a drawing from right in here, and it'll automatically attach it from here. The other thing that's kind of nice, so if I click on docs, as you can see how it says post your own item right here? That's the name of the assignment up here. So it does name it for me, and I don't have to worry about that. Always remember, when you're all done, you got to click in that turn in button so that your teacher has access to it and can give that feedback to you. So hopefully this explains to you how to do that, and it is helpful for whatever learning environment you're in.